Alright.
Ano ba niya asawa?
It's a Disney. It's a Disney. Yan, kasama ko na si Quiz. Siyempre, papunta na kami kay Happy. Nakaano din siya pastel. Okay. Teka muna! Tingnan mo yung ano ko, labong. On the way na kami. See you later, guys.
We invite you to grab your appetizers. In a bit, we'll begin with our program. While waiting for the start of our event, we invite you to grab your appetizers. Our photo booth is also up and running. While it's open, we invite our youth and our playground, and we take your photos at the photo booth. So everyone, let's savor the food and relish the festive atmosphere.
Dahil hindi pa nag-start yung party, kain ka na ng kain, te. Happy, I love you more! I love you more!
Alright.
Ano ba niya asawa?
Ayan na. Asaan yung mami niya?
Kain niyo mo ba? Kain niyo mo ba?
Hey
guys, look here, Martin. Be closer to my Happy. Okay, Martin. One more. Is natin siya kiss.
Answer is...
Okay, video naman ha. Pag sinabi kong go, kikita kayo ha.
Love you, Mom.
Okay, ready? Hold lang. Ready? 3, 2, 1, kiss! Alright. Okay, baba mo rin kamay. Sinabi kong go. Okay, look here naman.
Now for our next...
One more. Look here, guys.
So much fun.
You miss me? It's a Disney. It's a Disney. Agaw ka na kay mami.
Hear you say, hey! Great job! And so, Daddy Harvey, paano nga ba yung hey! Hey! Sa magandang mami, grabe, pag ganito yung mami mo, parang gusto mo isama lagi sa PTA meeting, you know? Ang ganda! And so, Mami, Papi, paano ba yung hey na masaya? Hey! Let's try it again. Once more, everybody! Let me hear you say, hey!
Thank you for coming to my birthday. I love you.
How adorable! We're happy. It's our pleasure to be here tonight.
I can hear you. Can you say hola?
Hola!
Alright, now that's how we say hello in Colombia. Hi, my name is Mirabel, and with me is my favorite, Tia. And of course, my two sisters, Isabella and Luisa. Oh, and we come from an enchanted world named Encanto, hidden in the mountains of Colombia. That's right. And in our magical house that we call Casita,
all of our tias and tias have their own special unique powers.
Well, everyone except for me. That's not true, Mirabel. You have the most important miracle of all. But first,
Happy birthday to you.
make a wish. Make a wish. You can pull your candles out.
Lalo pag wala kang phone, hindi lang nagpapakaikan.
Si Abby, gumana sa akin.
Okay.
What are you doing? What are you
ang ganda-ganda mo.
I love you.
Ayan, di ko lang siya. Ayan, ni Kai. Tres ka pala sa last. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go!
Ice cream ni Abby.
Tanungin na, Tito Vincent, kanina yung mga pinutok mo kanina?
Ano dapat na eh?
Bato, pick! Ay! All one! First three wins the labubo. Okay. Hello, Ate P.
Ang haba.
Anak, happy birthday. Gusto ko mapanood mo to one day. Kasi this is a bittersweet moment para kay Mommy. Kasi parang kahapon lang, dala-dala kita sa tiyan ko. Ngayon, ang dami mo nang dinadaldal sa akin. Alam ko parang selfish pakinggan, pero as a mommy, I wish na I could keep you this little forever. And
Thank you, anak, for officially making me a mommy. Kasi pinangarap kita. And hindi ko rin pinagsisisihan na binigay ka sa amin ng maaga ni Lord. Kahit hindi pa kami handa, lalo na ako. You are one of the reasons kung bakit kami strong ng daddy mo at ng pamilya mo to. You are the light through the darkest moments of our lives. And thank you for making our hearts happy. Happy birthday, anak. I love you.
Meko din!
Wala nang ganon.
Daddy Blue, darkness daw.
Yes, actually.
Makeup ko din!
Ena! Happy ata. Dear?
Una sa lahat, gusto kong malaman mo na hindi ako bokal na tao. Pagdating sa nararamdaman ko, siguro dahil iisa yun sa pinagkait sa akin ng magulang ko. Kaya ito si Daddy ngayon nagtatry putulin yung ganong sumpa sa pamilya namin. Mahal kita, ha? Maraming magulang na nagre-regalo ng material o pera sa mga anak nila. Pero may na-realize ako. At sa tingin ko, mas magiging magandang regalo ko sa'yo. Maraming magulang magsasabi na they would die for you. Pero ako, anak, I would live for you. Kahit na 38% na lang ang puso ni Daddy. Sisikapin ko mabuhay ng matagal para hanggang sa paglaki mo, buo ka at may Daddy ka katabi. Kasi wala akong ibang gusto kundi ang best para sa'yo. Di man ako tulad ng ibang tatay na malakas ang pangangatawan. Magiging malakas naman ang loob ko, lumaban sa buhay, maging buo ka lang. Di ko hahayaan masaktan ang puso mo. I love you, happy heart.
Happy, what's your message for your parents?
Guys, I love you.
Thank you so much!
Tapos na nga ang birthday ni Happy at pauwi na kami. Siyempre si Quiz pa din ang kasama ko. Ayan o. Oh, let's go. Shout out daw. So ayun lang, medyo pagod na. Kasi ang daming ganap doon. Tapos nakita ko yung mga ibang influencer. Siyempre at yung pamilya ko at mga pamangking ko. Good night guys. Bye bye.